This video will be a total body Pilates workout after a holiday or a lot of gathering with friends and family and you ate a lot. So welcome back to my channel, Annie-pilates Physical Therapist. I will slowly ease you back to your fitness journey and back to Pilates to strengthen your core muscles, a healthier spine, and you feel good after this workout. So get your mat ready and a water bottle and join me. We will slowly lie down on your back. We will slowly ease back to wellness and Pilates. So lie down on your back. Take a deep breath, engage your core muscles. Lengthen your spine, belly button in and blow. Take a deep breath through your nose. Belly button in. Inhale and blow. Take a deep breath through your nose. Last one, belly button in and blow. With your right leg, we'll do tabletop. Slowly single. Right knee first, take a deep breath. Belly button in, squeeze your stomach, squeeze your glutes and slowly go down and blow. Let's warm up our core, warm up our legs and our joints. Left side, take a deep breath. Belly button in and slowly go down and blow. It's nice to slowly warm up our body so it's not too much strain and sprain on our muscles and our joints. And blow. Left side, you take a deep breath through your nose. Belly button in, squeeze as hard as you can and blow. Now we'll do tabletop with hip abduction. Take a deep breath and then slowly go to the side without twisting your spine, keeping your spine level. Squeeze your stomach and then go back to the center and blow. And then the left side, take a deep breath through your nose, belly button in, slowly go to the side, keeping your back neutral, back to the center, and then overhead and blow. One more set, right side, take a deep breath, lower to the side, feel that lovely stretch on your hip muscles, back to the center and down blow. Left side, you take a deep breath through your nose, belly button in, lower to the side, back to the center and down blow. Now we'll do double tabletop. Bend both knees, take a deep breath, belly button in and then slowly go down and blow. Take a deep breath, double tabletop and then slowly go down and blow. Double tabletop again. And this time, hold it in this position and slowly kick your right leg straight while you're keeping the other leg double tabletop and back to center and blow. Left side, take a deep breath and back center. Inhale through your nose and blow. Belly button in, engage your core muscles and blow. Right side, straighten your knee. You can feel a lovely stretch in your hamstring. And then left. And now we'll do butterfly. Separate your hands and your knees and back to the center. Inhale and blow. Belly button in. Feel that lovely stretch on your hips. Inhale. Belly button in. Engage your core muscles and blow. And now we're going to do Pilates stance, both legs straight. Take a deep breath and blow. Inhale through your nose. Squeeze your stomach, feel your core. And then slowly straighten more to 45-degree angle and blow. From this position, you're going to straighten your knees up. Take a deep breath, heels together. Slowly lower it down to 45-degree angle. And you can feel your lower abdominal working. And bend. Take a deep breath. Bend to double tabletop and then straighten your knees to 45 degrees. If you can't, you can always go up, but there's more challenge the lower you get. And blow. And now, while straightening your knee to double tabletop overhead with your hands, feel that work on your core. Take a deep breath, belly button in and lift. Inhale through your nose, belly button in and lift. Take a deep breath through your nose, challenge yourself. And if this is too hard, you can always modify by just doing the double tabletop or single tabletop. At least you're trying your best. And each one has its own strength and journey for wellness. Last one. Take a deep breath, hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we're gonna do single leg stretch. Lift your shoulders up, bend your knee, reach for your ankle. Take a deep breath and blow. If you can't reach your ankle area and you're tight, it's okay to touch your knee area. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. Left leg, right leg, kick. Slow and then slowly speed it up. Warm up your core more. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. Inhale and blow. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And hug yourself. Rock side to side. And then lift your legs and double leg circle. Toes pointing to the ceiling. Slowly make a circle, clockwise or counterclockwise. And blow like the size of a small dish. Take a deep breath and blow. Belly button in and blow. And now counterclockwise, take a deep breath. Feel your core burning. Inhale and blow. Last one and 5. And then reach for your left side. Slowly lower your right. Take a deep breath and then lift. Hold. Inhale and blow. Scissoring. Inhale and blow. Belly button in. Feel that stretch in your hamstrings and blow. Take a deep breath and blow. Belly button in and blow. Last one. Take a deep breath. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then the other side. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And back. So from this position, you're going to do V-stretch. You can use your hands to stretch your legs. But if it's hard to reach your leg, you can use behind your knee. And if this is too difficult because of tightness, let go and then open. But if you're too weak, you can just slowly use your pants to hold on. Just slowly improve your strength. Open, hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back. Take a deep breath. Open, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and lift. This time you're gonna lift your shoulder up to engage your upper abdominal area. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and blow. Last one, hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift yourself up. Gonna do some lovely roll up. Take a deep breath. Down slowly, 1 vertebrae at a time, and blow. You can have your knees bent, but if you want to challenge yourself, keep your knees down and lift. Reach for your feet. Head down. Take a deep breath and then open. Stretch your upper back and then overhead and blow. And back to the center and twist, lean, overhead, back and blow. And then slowly go down, 1 vertebrae at a time and blow. Take a deep breath through your nose, belly button in and lift. Reach for your toes if you can. Your head down. Sit up straight, chin tuck, open and lean. And now you can go further down on your elbow. Take a deep breath and up. Belly button in, twist. Elbow overhead, back. And then slowly go down, 1 vertebrae at a time and blow. Take a deep breath through your nose and up. belly button in, reach for your feet, head down. Inhale, open, lean, overhead, feel that stretch, back, and then turn to the other side, lean, overhead, belly button in, engage your core, reach for your feet again, head down, and then sit up straight, chin tuck, slowly go down, one vertebrae at a time with your breaths and blow. Inhale through your nose, belly button in and lift, reach for your feet. Now you're getting closer to your knees. Feels good to stretch more. Inhale, open, lean on your right elbow, overhead, back to the center. Inhale, open, lean, overhead, back, down. Slowly go down, chin tuck. Inhale, belly button in. And now we're gonna cool down now with lovely stretching. Start with your knee to your chest. Lift. While you're hugging this, you're gonna do small circles. Make it bigger now. And circle. And then reverse. And then switch it out. Twist. Circle. And then down first. And make a circle. And now lift your legs up and we'll do circle, double circle, opposite. Belly button in, lift both legs and down. Slow and easy. Inhale up and open. And now let's do reverse. Circle up, belly button in and down. Take a deep breath. And now we're gonna put your hands down. We're gonna do some bridging. Take a deep breath overhead with your hands and then slowly go down one vertebrae at a time and blow and then lift your hands up. Take a deep breath, lift, belly button in, squeeze your glutes, go as high as you can and then slowly go down while lifting your hands up. Take a deep breath, belly button in, lift and then slowly go down and blow. Last one on the bridging, lift, belly button in and then kick with your right, hold it, left and then right. Take a deep breath, belly button in, keep the bridge, alternating left, right, and now butterfly, open, close, butterfly in bridging position. Lift your hands and open your hands as well. 2, open slowly. Keep the bridge, feel the burn on your glutes. 4, last one, and 5, and overhead and blow. And now we're gonna do some bridging on your elbow and lift and slowly go down and blow. Breath is a good workout on your triceps and your shoulder. Take a deep breath, belly button in and blow. You might feel it on your shoulder. If there's a lot of pain, you can't do this then. If you have tightness on your shoulder, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. And now we're gonna cool down on your hands and knees. Cat and camel, stomach in, and slowly go up. Look up in the sky as high as you can. Take a deep breath. And down. Belly button in. Take a deep breath. Look up and down. Take a deep breath. Camel. And then back to cow. Take a deep breath, camel, or go back to cow or angry cat. And from this position, we're gonna do kick back a little bit and bend and back down. It's a lot of lovely stretching for a total body workout. Kick, bend, down. Kick, bend, down. Such a lovely stretch. Kick, bend, down on your hands and knees. Kick, bend, down. And now kick, bend and hold it there and lift. Small lift, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and down. Now your left. kick, bend and lift. 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then we'll end it in a child pose. Take a deep breath and blow. Last one, you take a deep breath and blow. And then cobra, stretch your low back. Take a deep breath, belly button in, and down low. Back to child pose. And that's it. That was such a lovely Pilates total body workout. Please like and subscribe my channel. Ring the notification bell for future updates just like this one. I upload videos every Wednesdays, Fridays, Sundays, sometimes Mondays for Pilates, yoga, physical therapy, health, and wellness. You can also follow me on my social media, my Facebook, Instagram, Reddit, and I just opened my Patreon account, and there's a link down below that you can check out, and if you'd like to support my channel to make more videos just like this one. Thanks again. Have a great and healthier you. Bye!